how to attach your binocular harness so that your precious toy doesn't fall off. And of course, I'm assuming you already got yours, right? I got this from Decathlon, the sports store Decathlon, from a brand name called Soloniac, right there. So you want to grab it, and you're gonna have this strap right here. You want to fit it through the hole. You see right there? Right through the hole, just like that. And then, not going anywhere anytime soon. And then you just repeat the same thing on the other side. See there? Snug. Huh? See that? Snug down the mud. And now you can comfortably use your pair of binoculars without any fear of accidentally dropping it. Alright. A lot more comfortable if you ask me. See something you want to observe? Just lift it up, and when you're done, and tell me what it looks like as I turn around. Looks pretty damn comfortable. I can have this on all day without feeling that I'm lumping around heavy stuff. And in case you want to switch your observation to another direction, it's done swiftly. It's worth every penny. And I'm going to also show you how to tether this eyepiece cup. You got this little hole right there. You want to pass it through the hole. Oh, there you go. All right. So that way, you get full rain protection and dust as well. And it could be even drops of sweat draining down from your face, okay? It can all be rain. See that? And you can also tether these along. That way you always have your caps with you wherever you go without any fear of losing them. Actually, the strap that came with it is this basic, even though it's Nikon, but it's still basic because all it does is you throw it over your neck and strap it along, and that's all it does. So it's kind of like harder when you're bending down, whereas with this, when you're bending down, right, everything still stays intact. It's not dangling all over the place, right? So a couple of bucks, I think 10 bucks, 15 bucks or something. You got a nice, honest, doesn't have to be this exact brand, but just find something reliable. You can tell when you see quality things from afar, okay? So ditch the stock head strap or harness that came with it, right? It's useless. And if you're getting an harness, please get this one with the quick release. That way you can go from a harness, pair of binoculars to completely handheld. Anytime you want to have it attached, once again, all you have to do is just repeat the same step. Easy peasy. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and share this video if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you in the next one.